Hello students, let's move for the eighth sum in the exercise 5.2. So let us read the sum. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner. Peg means ಗೂಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ಎತ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಅಥವಾ ಹಸುಗಳನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಾಕಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಗೂಟವನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಪೆಗ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಅಟ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಶೇಪ್ಡ್ ಗ್ರಾಸ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್. Okay, ABCD is a square shaped grass field. Here the RC is tied to a peg. There will be the peg here at the point of A. Corner they only told. So of side 15 centimeter. So square shape means in the sense all the sides will be 15. This is also 15 and this is also 15. Or totally this is also 15 centimeter. By means of a 5-meter long rope. The rope is used to tie the horse is 5 meter. That is okay. MA will be 5-meter rope. It is used. So find the area of the field in which the horse can graze. 5 ಮೀಟರ್ ರೋಪಲ್ಲಿ ಕಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಹಾರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗ್ರೇಸ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಯು ನೋ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದಟ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗ್ರಾಸಿಂಗ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಅ ಒನ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್. ಸೊ that thing want to find out. And to increase in the grazing area, if the rope were 10 meter long, okay, if instead of 5 meter, if you are using the 10 meter long like that, okay, so how much area the instead of finding, so increase in the grazing area, we want to find out how much increased grazing area. So first we have to this is the increased grazing area of the rope, which I have marked in a dotted line. This is the increasing grazing area. This should be, so this should be up to here if you are taken L. So and or X and Y, you have to take X and Y. So it should be 10 meter, total 15. So this is 5 and this is 10. Okay, so if it is, we want to find out in the second one, increase in the grazing area, how much it is increased. First we have to find out this up to this from here, then we have to minus from the total to this, we can get the increased garden area. Yes, let us find out the first, that is the area of the grazed part. I mean area of sector we can take here. Okay, these are all the sector only. So area of the grazed part, what they are giving, grazed means ಮೇದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಹುಲ್ಲು ಮೇದಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು, nothing but area of sector. So area of sector formula we know already, that is the theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So here we know in a circle all the angles should be 90 degree. Okay, all the angles should be 90 degree. So we can take theta as 90 degree because we know that. Okay, it is one of the properties of a square. So 90 divided by 360 into pi value is 22/7, or we can use the 3.14 directly. 3.14 into r should be, here we are using the 5 into 5. Okay, so that equal to 0 get cancel, 9 1s are 9 4s are. Okay, so next is 3.14, 5 5s are, it is 25 divided by 4. So 4 4s 4 6 are 24, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 1 10 point of the it will be 1 point, there will be this will become a 10, 4 2s are 8. Okay, so next 4 5s are 2, remainder 4 5s are 20. 3.14 into it is a 6.25. let's calculate that. 3.14, or we can take 6.2 only, enough it is. So 6.2. so if you multiply this, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 6 4s are 24, 2 carry, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 is 8, 6 3s are 18. 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6, 4s are 24, 2, 6 1s are 6 plus 2 8, and 6 3s are 18, 8, 4 plus 2 is 6, 8 plus 6 is 14, and 8 1. So point after here 2 numbers, here point after 1 number, leave 3 numbers and put a point. It is 18.468 or 46 enough. It is 18.46 centimeter, which is that if it is in a square meter, you should mention in a meter only. If it is in a centimeter, you should mention in a centimeter. So this is the area, so that's why it should be meter square. Okay, so this is the 18.46 is the grazing plot, area of grazing plot. Next, if it is increased, the second one, so this is the first one, so the second one we have to find out now, which is the increasing, okay, area of sector of the increasing area. First we have to find out. Next, increase in the grazing area, later how much it is, that thing we can find out by minusing on that. Okay, so next we have to, if this rope, if rope is increased for 10 meter, then the area of grazed part, then the area of grazed part, nothing but the area of sector only, area of sector, keep in mind. Okay, so if the rope is increased of 10 meter, then the area of grazed part or sector, the same formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta is, we know that is the 90 degree. We already know 360 into pi is the value is 3.14, but r it will become 10 here. So here r will become a 5, but here it will become a 10, and that means r square in the sense 10 into tens. Okay, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled, 9 1s are 9 4s are. So it will become 3.14 into 10 tens are 100 divided by 4. From 4 2s are 8, 2 4 5s are 20, 25 4s are 3.14 into 25. Okay, so 25 4s are 100, I am doing directly 10, 25 1s are 25 plus 10 is 35, 3 25 3s are 75, 75 plus 3 78. Point after 2 numbers are there, leave 2 numbers from the right and put a point, that is 78.50 or 5 meter square. This is the, if the rope is increased for 10 meter, so they ask us to find out the increase in the grazing area. If the rope increasing, how much grazing area is increased compared to this. Okay, it's already grazed, how much area. So we find out the if 10 meter, if it is increased for 10 meter, how much total area. So this thing we already find out. Now we want to find out only this shaded part. Okay, so that thing you have to take, increasing the grazing area is increase in the grazing area is, how much it is, 78.50 minus the first one is, this is 78 total, and in this first one is, that is the 18.46. if you find out, so we got the answer 78.50, 78.50 minus 18.46. So 10 minus 6 is 4, and here 4 so minus 4 is 0, then 8 minus 8 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6. So totally we got here 60.04. 60.04. This is the increasing grazing area. Keep in mind how much you got, 60.04 meter square. This is the answer for the second one. Clear? Hope you will understand this. Let's move for the next one, the 9th sum. Let's read the sum first. This is the ninth sum. A brooch is made with a silver wire in the form of a circle. This is called as a brooch. Brooch ಅನ್ನೋದು ಒಂದು ಸುತ್ತು ಇರುವಂತಹ ಒಂದು ಪದಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಏನರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ? ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ವಯರ್, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿಯ ವಯರಿನಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಏನನ್ನು? ಪದಕವನ್ನು, ಡಾಲರ್ ಅಥವಾ ಪದಕ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಅದನ್ನು ವಯರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಾಲಿಡ್. ಓಕೆ, in the form of a circle ಅಲ್ಲಿ with diameter 35 millimeter. They are giving in a millimeter, not in centimeter or meter. We have to take in a millimeter only. With the diameter 35 millimeter. Okay, 35 millimeter diameter ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So how many diameters are there? That is important here. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters. ಅದೇ ವಯರ್ನ circumference as well as the same wire, circumferenceನೂ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ವಯರಿಂದನೇ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ it is used to make the 5 diameters totally. You can get here 10 radius we will get here. It will be the 5 diameters. Let's count from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So 10 radius will be there. So that nothing but the 5 diameters which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors. 10 equal sector ಆಗಿ divide ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 equal sector as shown in the figure. This is the figure. Find. Here we want to find out the total length of the wire required. ಎಷ್ಟು length of the wire ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, including to make this diameter and the circumference of the circle. Then we want to find out the area of the each sector of the brooch. Okay, area of the each sector of the brooch, in the sense it is divided equally. This area we want to find out. Okay, so let's find the first one, the total length of the wire. So the total length of the wire is here the total length of silver wire, ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ವಯರಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿಲ್ವರ್ ವಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ವಯರ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 1 wire is used for the circumference, then for the 5 diameters. So we can write here circumference plus 5 diameters, right? 5 diameter. Okay, circumference formula we know that is the 2 pi r plus 5 diameter, in the sense 5 into diameter formula d equals 2r, right? Okay, d diameter equals 2r, r equals d divided by 2, we know already. Okay, so 5 into 2r. 2 into pi value we know already, that is 3.14 or 22 by 7. Anyhow we can take 22 by 7 into r. R how much? R is we know already, that is the 35. 35 is millimeter. Okay, diameter is d equals the 35. R equals how much we get here? D divided by 2. Diameter that has given 35 millimeter. 35 divided by 2. R is 35 divided by 2. 35 divided by 2 plus 5 into 2 into r value we can substitute here, 35 divided by 2, right? Okay, so 2 into 22, 7 5s are 6 5s are 30, 7 5s are 35. So 2 11s are, it is 2 into 11, 11 2s are 22, 22 5s are how much we can get? 22 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 11. So we can write directly 110 plus here also 2 2 get cancelled, 35 5s are. So 110 plus 35 5s are, it is 175. 35 5s are how much? 175. 110 plus 175 is 285. It is in a millimeter, so we should also write it as a millimeter. So total length of the silver wire is 285 millimeter. Next, let's move for the second one, that is the area of, this is the first thing answer. So next we have to take the second one, that is the want to find out the area of the sector, each sector. So area of sector we know that formula, area of each sector of the brooch, each sector of Broach, BROACH, broach is, we know the formula, theta divided by 360 into pi r square. Theta divided by 360 into pi r square. So theta, how much we can get the theta? This is the central angle, that is very important. Okay, central angle is, we know that 360, that has divided into 10 equal parts. So that's why the central angle or theta equals, central angle we know that is the 360, because total angle of the circle we know 360, that divided into 10 equal parts because they only given, so that's why it is theta is 36. Okay, keep in mind this. So you can substitute here, theta is 36 divided by 360 into pi value we know already, that is the 22/7 into r, radius is 35 divided by t, r square no, so that's why it want to multiply for the twice, 35 divided by 2. Okay, so 36 ones are, that means 10, 7 5s are 35, then 5 ones are 5 2s are, it is again 2 11s are 1 1. So next t will be from 2 it's not, let's multiply this. So in a numerator left is 11 into 35 and in the denominator 2 into 2 is 4. Okay, 11 into 35, I mean 35 into 11, let us multiply this. 11 5s are 55, 5 carry, 11 3s are 33, 33 plus 5 is 38. So we got 385 divided by 2 2s are 4. 385 divided by 4. So if we divide this, 4 9s are 36, 4 10s are 40 is more, 4 9s are 36, 25 it is, 4 5s are 20, 4 6 are 24, 4 6 are 24. Okay, 1.1010, 4 2s are 8, 96.2 millimeter square. This is the area of each sector of the broach is 96.2 millimeter square. Okay, hope you will understand this. So from the 10th one we have to I'll explain in the next period. Hope you will understand. The division is very important here. Okay, and understanding. Thank you all.